Do you know someone in need of a Bach Kit? Because we're giving another one away.
Last year, we decided to give away one of our most popular kits, the Bach Kit. And the winner was Leah here in Pipiwai. We're back almost a year later to see how she's getting on.
Kia ora! Welcome back, Craig! Having the solar Bach Kit from the GridFree people has been amazing and life-changing. It's allowed us to have our whānau come back here. It's allowed us to have a semi-normal life with lights and a fridge. It has been a wonderful experience. Thank you so much, GridFree. You rock.
All you need to do is tell us why they deserve to win this off-grid solar kit, along with a short video answering the question, what does off-grid living mean to you? The giveaway will run during the month of September, so start thinking about your answers now. We'll post a video with full entry details, so subscribe to our YouTube channel and be the first to enter. Thank you to everyone in our amazing off-grid community for supporting us. We can't wait to meet our next winner. Good luck.